Hello students, warm welcome to Bharti Boarding School. My name is Bharti, your maths teacher, and today we are going to start our chapter 7 NCERT congruence of triangles. Okay, have you heard about this word congruency before? Students, Deep, you are late today.
Yes,
Deep, you are late. Okay, Nancy, have you heard congruency?
yes, ma'am.
What is this congruency? Mm-hmm. Tell. What is this congruency? Divya, you know what is congruency? Congruency. No. Deep, do you know?
Morning, ma'am.
You are late. What was you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's read the introduction of the chapter first. Okay. We are now ready to learn a very important geometrical idea, congruence. In particular, you will study a lot about congruence of triangles. To understand what congruence is, we turn to some activities. To see these activities, take two stems. Okay, two stems. Both stems are same. Are you able to see the shared screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, there are two stems. Okay, there are
Yes,
two
ma'am.
stems. Place one stem over the other. Okay, you just place one step over the other. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
stem cover other completely, and exactly this means that the two stems are of the same shape and same size. Such objects are said to be congruent. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
congruent mean that can be, you know, same shape, same size. Okay, if we put each other like this, okay, they will overlap. Hmm? Exactly
Yes,
same. Congruency mean the object exactly same. Okay, in shape, in size. Okay,
yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Now, can you now say if the following objects are congruent or not? Tell me about the first figure. Is it congruent or not? Two blades are here. Both the blades are same size, same shape. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
these are called congruent. What about second picture? Sheet of
No,
some
ma'am.
letter pad. Same. Two biscuits of same
Same, ma'am.
packet. Two biscuits of same packet. Congruent because the size
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
shape of the biscuits in same packet are same. Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
toys made of same mold. Two same toys made in a same mold. Okay, these are called congruent figures. Okay, Nancy, what is the wrong with you?
No, ma'am.
Pay
Nothing.
attention in the class. Activity clear? Any doubt in the meaning of congruency?
No, ma'am.
Now see 7.2. Look at the two figures given here. 7.3. Are they congruent? Tell me, are they congruent? Figure 1 and figure 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Are they congruent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's read. You can
Yes.
use the method of superposition. Take a trace copy of one of them and place it over the other. If the figure cover each other completely, they are congruent. Okay, trace it
Yes, ma'am.
means cut the shape of this figure one or two and place it on other figure. If this figure covered the other figure, it means they are congruent. Alternatively, you may cut one of them and place it over the other. Beware, you are not allowed to bend, twist or stretch the figure that is cut out or traced out. Okay, now see congruence among line segments. When are two line segment congruent? Okay, it is about lines. Observe the lines and pair of the segment. Tell me first figure is congruent or not. Both the lines. There are two lines. Line AB, line CD. Are they congruent?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they congruent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because they are
Yes,
looking
ma'am.
same. Same in size. And what about
Yes, ma'am.
second figure?
No, ma'am.
And
No, ma'am.
both the lines, line PQ and line RS. Divya, tell me, are they congruent? Divya, are they congruent?
No, ma'am.
These are not congruent. Okay, because we can easily see that PQ line is longer than RS. Okay, okay, they are not congruent.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a definition given. If two lines segments have the same, that is equal length, they are congruent. Also, if two line segment are congruent, they have the same length. If length is same, they are congruent. If they are congruent, then length is same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Nancy,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm warning you again and again. It's not good for you. Okay, pay attention in your class. You know these chapters are very important and very tricky. If base is not clear, you can't understand this chapter ever. Okay, now pay attention. If the lines are same in size, then they are congruent, and if they are congruent, then same in size. Okay, now see the figures. Are they congruent? Observe the figure. Deep, 40 degree, 40 degree angles. If angles are also same, the figures are called congruent. Okay, we can measure
Yes, ma'am.
congruency according to the angles as well. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
measure the congruency, or we can try to know the congruency according to the measurement of angles. Okay, it is also based on angles as well. Angle 40 degree, angle 40 degree. Tell me, both are equal or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Equal.
ma'am.
Equal. Okay, yes, these are equal. And what about third and fourth?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
What
ma'am.
about fourth and second?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Make a trace copy of PQR. What is PQR? Here it is PQR. Try to superpose it on ABC. Try to superpose. Superpose means overlap. Try to overlap it on ABC. For this, first place Q on B and QP along BA. Where does QR fall? It falls on BC. Thus, PQR matches exactly with ABC. That is, angle ABC and angle PQR are congruent. Okay, note that the measurement of these two congruence angles are same. Okay, this is the sign for congruency. Look at this sign carefully. Equal and this zigzag line. This is the sign of congruency. Congruency. Is it clear, Deep? This is the
Yes,
sign
ma'am.
for congruency. Whenever you look this sign, if you look this sign anywhere, it means the size, the shapes and the objects are same. Okay, means congruence. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Congruence of, now we are studying our main point, congruence of triangles. Okay, because the chapter name is congruency of triangle. We saw that two line segments are congruent where one of them is
Yes, ma'am.
a copy of the
Yes, ma'am.
other. Similarly, two
Yes, ma'am.
triangles are congruent if one of them is a copy of other. Okay, look at these triangles. Okay, look at this triangle. How do you find that both the triangles are congruent or not? Deep, how do you find? What are the ways?
Right.
What are the ways to find out the both the figures are given in the book are congruent or not?
Ma'am, major.
First you can first step, you can measure the sides.
Right. Yes,
You can measure the sides by your scale, using your scale. Okay, second, you can measure the angles. Mm-hmm. You can prove these figures they are congruent. You can prove it by sides, you can prove it by angles as well. Okay, see, uh, by looking at both the figures, we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, A, B, C and P, Q, R have the same size and shape, they are congruent, so we would express this. Okay, we would express this in our notebook.
Yes.
ABC
Yes, ma'am.
and PQR, and using this sign of congruency. Okay, we would like to write ABC, triangle ABC is congruent and equal to triangle PQR. You have to write like this. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Now, how would you like in your how would you write in your notebook? See here. Okay. Wait. Line AB equal to PQR, adjacent, corresponding side. What are the sides? Corresponding side. And line AB equals to line PQ. Line BC equal to line QR. Line AC is equal to line PR. Okay, you have to write it like this. Here it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, AB and PQ, BC and QR, AC and PR. Okay, now second thing is that you have to write angle B equals to angle Q, angle A equals to right angle P, and angle C equals to angle R. Okay, corresponding angles. What do you call? Corresponding angles. Okay, same
yes,
side.
ma'am.
Okay, left angle, upper angle, right angle. Okay, right side angle, not right angle. Okay, right side angle. And vertex. What do you mean by vertex? Vertices, sorry. Vertices. Vertices means corners.
Ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Nancy, yes. You're not audible, Nancy. Network problem is there. Okay, see example 1. ABC and PQ are congruent under correspondence. Okay, under correspondence means you now clear about
Yes,
correspondence.
ma'am.
Correspondence, same directions or same side.
Yes, ma'am. Corner.
No, correspond. I'm asking about correspondence. Correspondence mean, you know, see here, these two are right angles. Okay, A B C P Q R. Okay, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse.
Yes.
Perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Perpendicular is equal to perpendicular, the AB equals to PQ. Okay, and BC equals to, base and base are equal, QR. Hypotenuse and hypotenuse equal, AC equals to PR. Is it clear? This is called correspondence. Okay, is it clearly visible in this figure? In solution of example 1, write the parts of angle ABC that correspond to PQ. There are two figure ABC, PQR. Try to find out correspond to PQ. What is PQ? Here it is PQ. Tell me. Mm-hmm. These figure are inverted figure. Inverted figure mean ulti. These figure are given, you know, irregular form. Okay, see, AB and AC. It is looking, you know, like a right angle triangle. It is also okay, and PQ is equal to
AB.
no, BC.
AB, ma'am.
No. Nancy, I'm trying to tell you about these figure are inverted, ulti given है ये. ओके, सेम तरीके से नहीं रखी हुई है. दो चीज़ को हम घुमा के भी रख सकते हैं, है ना. तो आपको ध्यान से देखना है कि कौन सी फिगर कौन सी साइड कोरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड है. ओके, अगेन ट्राई correspond to PQ. You can see that here it is 90 degree angle, here it is 90 degree angle, perpendicular. Okay, and we are searching about the opposite side of 90 degree. Which side is opposite to 90 degree? You can now clear.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, PQ is equal to correspond to side BC. Is it clear now? Angle Q. Again, angle Q is equal to angle B. Okay, and what about RP?
Yes,
Where is
yeah.
RP? It is RP. RP is equal to AC. Sorry, correspond to AC.
C.
Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask, please ask. Deep.
Ma'am, correspondence. नहीं समझ में
It is not clear correspondence. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm making here two. Okay. I am clearing that both these figures are congruent. I am telling you it is proved that both the figures are congruent. You just tell me the correspondence. Wait. This is A, B, and C, and P, Q, R. What is the corresponding side of AC? Correspond to AC? Correspond to AC.
Ma'am, PR.
Now you are able to find PR is correspond to AC line. You have to draw a line on this, over this. Okay, Deep, now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm showing you two figures. See, what is this? Two hearts. बस आप ये
Yes,
देख लो
ma'am.
कि ये हर्ट्स अभी तो ये छोटे बड़े हैं, मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन आप इमेजिन कर लो कि ये दोनों एक ही साइज़ के हैं. यू जस्ट इमेजिन इट. both the hearts are in same in size. Okay, अगर मैं एक हर्ट को ऐसा कर दूँ तो क्या आप ये कहोगे कि नहीं ये तो सेम साइज के नहीं है? बोलोगे आप?
No, ma'am, नहीं कहे.
No.
No,
एक ही
ma'am.
साइज के रहेंगे. अगर ऐसे कर दे तो भी इनको एक ही साइज के रहना है. तो जो फिगर है वो आपको कैसे भी दी जा सकती है, आपको सिर्फ उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सी साइड किसके इक्वल है, या तो मेजर कर लो. नाउ क्लियर दीप?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Figure can be given to you in any direction. Both the figure can be same direction, this type, one is like this, okay. You have to try to now tell me the correspond to this side, this side, this one. It is the it is left side.
Ma'am, right side. Ma'am, right
From
side
your
of
side it
this
is
button.
right, from my
Right.
side it is left. Okay, if it is left from me, I will tell you that the correspond to this side is this side, left side of this bigger one. Okay. And what about this deep?
Yes.
Correspond to this right side, tell me.
Ma'am, right side.
Right side. Left side is correspond to right side, and right side is correspond to right side. Left correspond, and right correspond, upper correspond, lower correspond. Nancy,
Yes, ma'am.
now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था इसके अलावा यूज करने के लिए, यही पढ़े थे यहाँ पे. Okay, now clear? Now clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Correspond mean right side, left side. अगर उल्टे हैं तो ध्यान देना पड़ेगा कौन सा किसका राइट है. ओके.
Yes.
Here it is your 7.1. Try to understand. Complete the following statement. Two line segments are congruent if two line segments are congruent if try to solve better. Try.
Okay.
Think. No idea. I have already told you two line segments are congruent if they are same in size. Okay? If they are same in size. I have already told you. Okay, two line segments. Okay, here it is a line AB. Deep, draw a line congruent to AB. Draw a line on the screen that is congruent to AB.
मैम मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है,
Mm-hmm.
ऑप्शन नहीं आती है।
Divya, on your video. Nancy, switch on your video. Draw a line congruent to AB. Divya, you draw a line. Draw a line on the screen. I'm drawing again. Wait a minute. Draw a line that is congruent to my line AB. Nancy, you draw a line congruent to AB. Use your pencil on the screen. Not able to draw? Wait a minute, I'm checking that permission.
मैम ये
Yes.
ज्यादा
Okay, I can understand that you are not able to draw a plain line. Okay. One line, two lines, line segment are congruent if दो line segment कब congruent हो सकते हैं? जब वो दोनों same size के होंगे. If they are same in size. Clear, Deep?
Yes, ma'am.
Among two congruent angles, if one has measure of 70 degree, the measure of the other angle is. Okay, the question is proved that
90 degree.
question is proved that both two angles are congruent. Okay, one is given that one is 70 degree in measure, and what about the other angle? Tell me.
Other angle
Other angle
seven
is
also 70
degree.
degree.
Other angle is also 70 degree. Okay, when we write
Yes.
angle A is equal to angle B,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
actually mean angle.
Yeah.
We would
Corresponding
write
angle.
like this. Yes.
Congruent angles, ma'am.
Now clear? ओके, जब भी आपको एंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट लिखने हैं आप इस तरह लिखोगे. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Give any two real life example of congruent shape. Look around yourself and tell me two example of congruent shape. Deep. Nothing is there.
Ma'am, freeze.
Freeze.
Yes, ma'am.
You can say to you just do not use 3D shapes. Do not use 3D plain shape. You can see both the flaps of laptop. Deep. Both the flaps of laptop are congruent. You can say.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Second example, Divya, you give me answer. Look at the fan. Look at the fan over you. Fan. Try to understand the blades of the fans are congruent. Deep. Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the fan. पंखे की ब्लेड्स कैसी हैं? congruent है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
एग्जैक्टली सेम या बड़े छोटे होते हैं आपके यहाँ? नहीं होते ना?
No, ma'am.
ओके. Chocolates of same brand. Chocolates of same brand of same, ओके. 5 रुपए वाली डेयरी मिल्क सारी सेम होती है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Nancy, what happened, dear?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Divya, you also give some examples, dear. Divya, I'm not able to see your face. दिव्या कोई बात नहीं आता तो गलत ही तो बताओगे. गलत बता दो, जैसा आपको समझ में आता है आप बता दो. आंसर तो दिया करो बेटे. बताओ दिव्या, आंसर दो बेटे. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का कोई एक एग्जांपल दो, आपके आसपास होगा ना. कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं ना, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो सेम होती है देखने में, सेम साइज़ की होती हैं, सेम शेप की होती हैं. नहीं होती हैं? दिव्या बता दो. पेन of same brand, you can say pen of same brand are same in size or shape. Okay. Notebook of same brand. NCERT 7th class NCERT book is also same in size and shape. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third question, if triangle ABC, if triangle ABC congruent and equal to FED under the correspondence, it is given, write all the corresponding congruent pair of the triangles. Draw two triangles. This is our triangle ABC. Okay, this is triangle F E, sorry, FED. Tell me the correspondence part. Corresponding angle.
Ma'am, AB is equal to FD.
I'm asking about correspondence. Correspond to means you have to place this sign. This means correspond. Okay. An arrow. Okay. AB correspond to FE.
FE.
Line.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, deep BC. BC is correspond to deep. Deep.
FD.
Yes. ED. It is ED. Line
Oh,
ED.
sorry.
And what about AC, Divya? AC is correspond to?
Ma'am, FD.
Yes, very good, Divya. FD. Now about angles. Angle B. Angle B is correspond to deep.
Angle C.
Angle B is correspond to
Angle C, ma'am.
angle E. Yes. Nancy, angle A correspond to? Nancy, angle A is correspond to?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle A is correspond to?
उसका प्लग होगा वो कर दीजिए. Angle
Angle A is correspond to angle?
B.
No, angle.
Ma'am, D.
No. Angle
Ma'am, D.
F. Upper side
Yes,
angle.
ma'am.
Okay. Divya, angle
Yes.
C is correspond to. Angle C is correspond to. Divya, give
E,
me.
ma'am.
Huh? Repeat. Angle C is correspond to. Repeat.
Angle E.
Not angle E. This angle is equal to this
D.
angle. This angle is correspond to this angle, and this angle is correspond to this angle. Left side, right side, right side. Upper side, upper side. Okay. Angle C is congruent to correspond to angle D. Now clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth question: if triangle DEF congruent to BCA, write the parts of BCA that correspond to. Wait, I'm drawing here your triangles. There are two triangles, okay, and we know that both the triangles are congruent. This triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Okay. Okay, try. And angle E is correspond to angle E.
Ma'am, angle B.
Yes, angle E is correspond to angle B. See,
B.
exactly same inside, same direction. And line EF. Where is EF? It is EF. Divya, line EF is correspond.
Ma'am, BC.
Divya will answer. Divya, line EF is correspond to which line?
Ma'am, BC.
Yes, line BC. You have to draw a line on BC like this. Okay. Deep,
Yes,
about
ma'am.
angle F. What about this? Angle F is correspond to which angle?
Angle C, ma'am.
Yes, angle C. And Nancy, line DF is correspond to DF.
Ma'am, AC.
Yes, same direction. Correspond to AC line. Okay, is it clear? Now clear corresponding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good. Your 7.1 is almost over. Okay. Now tell me who has completed notebook. Raise your hand. Raise. It is sixth chapter. We have completed sixth chapter, and you haven't submitted your notebooks yet. What is
मैम सिक्स चैप्टर का फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज हो गया.
And Deep, what about you? You have completed all the chapters completely?
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, have you completed your notebooks? Yes or no? Speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. कब भेजने वाले हो? Okay, send it to me as soon as possible. Okay, and try to solve this exercise in your notebook today. Okay, आज नहीं करोगे तो भूल जाओगे, आज ही करना है. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question? Anything? Just you wanna ask? Nancy, Deep, Divya, any doubt from any exercise?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
No, ma'am.
It means you have become Aryabhatta. If you have no doubt, you have become Aryabhatta. Am I right, Deep? आपको कोई डाउट नहीं है, इसका मतलब आप 7th क्लास पढ़ा सकते हो नेक्स्ट ईयर से. Okay, no issue. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, anytime.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now your time is over. Solve this exercise in your notebook today. Okay. Okay, now bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Divya.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.